I welcome you all to the Crypto Singh Show, and my name is Gunpreet Singh. Today we'll talk about how to trade. Now, what is important in trading is your temperament, is your discipline, and is your nature. Now, how does these three things affect your trading? Well, these three things affect your trading in a lot of ways. One, temperament. And what does temperament do? We bought something, we had losses. What we do as a human psyche, I mean, you know what poker is, you know what gaming is, what these cards are, or what these slot machines are. The more we lose, the more we try to gain. That's called revenge trading. So you have to understand, you need to have a temperament where you don't get into revenge trading. Don't revenge into trading. Trading, you'll never be able to win from trading. So what you do is step back, think about it, get into something else, forget about that coin. If you've lost money in that coin, don't try to gain, because then your heart will take over than your mind, and you will get into revenge trading, which absolutely is not advisable. So temperament plays a huge role, a vital role in our trading. Second is discipline. Now, discipline is very important, because what happens is we FOMO into something. Once we FOMO into it, we buy it when the prices are high, we sell it when prices are low, because what happens is we wait, when the prices go low, we wait for it to go even lower. Well, when they are high, we regret that we should have bought it at 16,000, at 17,000, and today is 25,000. We try to buy it at 25,000, and then it goes back to 20,000. What happens is we think this is going to go down more, so what we do is sell at 20,000. What happens? It goes up to 25,000 again. So this is something known as discipline. You need to have your discipline written. Now, what do I mean by written is something that you should have your numbers, your figures, your buying positions, that this is where I'm buying, this is how I'm going to do it. So these are certain things that the institutions do, which I'm telling you. And not a lot of YouTubers will tell you in this way. So this is how the discipline really works. And my third point is a very important point. Now, before I move on to this point, there's a small link just right there, which is known as subscribe. Do subscribe to our channel, like, share, and subscribe. We're trying to educate you with, whatever knowledge we have, so that it's something that, we've paid for these sessions, we paid for this knowledge, and we're giving it to you for free. So make this channel a hit and subscribe, because it takes nothing to subscribe. Now, the third and the most important thing is your nature. Now, how your nature is. Do you think you can take the risk, or you think you cannot take the risk? Now, that's extremely important in a trade like cryptocurrency. This is not stock, where 3 to 5% is something that you would care for. This is cryptocurrencies. This is not 3 to 5%. This is 30 to 50%, or sometimes 100x, or sometimes zero. So you have to understand and do your risk management properly, and understand that how much risk are you willing to take. So as a person, if you think you're taking that much risk and you cannot sleep at night, don't take that risk. And if you're trading, I'll tell you something really important. A lot of these YouTubers, a lot of these people that you see while trading, they don't trade more than 5% of their portfolio. Actually, a lot of them trade only 1% of their portfolio. So learn from them and understand what these guys are doing. They are majorly into long-term investing, whatever they may say. So what they do is they trade only 5. So maximum you will have 10% trading of your portfolio. 90% is not to be traded, not to be touched. That's something that you should always have your hands on. So with 10%, you can try, you can trade, you can do other stuff, but that's something that these are the mistakes that we've made, we've learned, and we're giving it out for free. So these are the 3 most common things that you require for trading. So don't make those mistakes. These are the 3 things that you should have if you are willing to get into trading. So that's all I have for now. Signing off from the Crypto Singh Show. Gunpreet Singh. Take care. Bye bye.